couple of weeks ago, we had an E63s AMG come in, all right? Now this guy wanted the top of the line system, so that's exactly what we did. We went ahead and got him a MEISTERSCHAFT catback system. Now the retail on this thing is anywhere from $4,800 to let's say $5,400 with a couple different options in there, all right? It's 100% 304 stainless steel and it's 100% mandrel bend. Now when I say mandrel bend, I kind of want to show you guys something here. So you see this pipe right here, how it's completely bent and the diameter has never changed through the bend. This is what you would call a mandrel bend, all right? Now when you see on some of the other pipes that you see under the cars, what's used is called a crush bend, where the diameter will actually change and it will be crushed as the pipe is bending. They still work as well, but mandrel bend is the optimal flow that you want, especially when we're talking about an E63 AMG. So check out the video, tell us what you think. We think it sounds like a monster, but it's your opinion that counts.